How to dispute a Cash App payment. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can dispute a Cash App payment. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If you have sent money on Cash App and something went wrong, here's how you can dispute a payment the right way in. First step is to go to the Activity tab. Tap on the activity icon at the bottom right corner, then select the payment that you want to dispute. Make sure the transaction shows as completed, then only you could move forward. And if you have sent money to a friend or seller, you could also try contacting them first. Here, most of your issues can be fixed without a formal dispute. And in case if that does not help you, or if it is still not resolved, then from the application, tap on the three dot at the top right, then select Need Help and Cash App Support. Under that, finally tap on Dispute this transaction and check if that will help you or not. If not, you could also directly contact the Cash App Support. You will find that number online or on the application. So search for the Cash App Support contact and you could also contact them. They will be available 7 days a week and check if they will help you out. Now, after that, the Cash App will investigate and will usually update you within 10 business days. If they find in your favor, you will get your money back. And if you have paid with a linked debit or credit card, your bank will help you with a chargeback too. That's it. That's how you can dispute a Cash App payment. And that's all for today's video. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.